Hello, everyone. Today we are going to first start out our day by going through our alphabet phonics song. So we're going to go through, so I can everyone stand up for me. We're going to go through the whole alphabet together. We'll do it 2 times. I want everyone participating. I want everyone saying the sounds, the words, and using our bodies to represent the alphabet. So please come and join me. Awesome. Now that we've done our alphabet song a couple times and we're ready to get going on our reading lesson today, we're going to be doing centers today. So there are going to be 3 different centers. You're going to be going with your table groups to each of the centers. Center 1 is going to be our sight word go fish. You guys have played this one before. You're going to play it again. It's one of your favorites. So you're going to find a partner that's in your table group. You're going to get a deck of sight words that are going to be right here at center 1, and then you're going to go ahead and play. You're going to play until there's a winner, and once there's a winner, you guys can switch partners, you can play again. Just keep playing until the time is up. Center 2 is going to be our CVC word matching. So there's a stack of worksheets on that center. You're going to grab a worksheet, you're going to start matching those words to the pictures. Once you've completed the worksheet, you can either do it again. There's a couple different options there of worksheets. You can do another one, or you can simply color your little pictures if you'd like. And finally, center 3 is going to be reading with me. Today we're going to be reading Rapunzel, but not the Rapunzel you know of now. We're going to be reading a Rapunzel that's actually from India. Since we have a student in our class from India, we're going to be learning more about her culture and where she's from through reading the Rapunzel version of her from her culture. So this is going to be really fun. So I'll explain more what we're going to be doing in that center once you come see me. Now, in our centers, we know our rules. We know that we're using indoor voices. We know that we're working together. We know the ask 3 then me policy. We're going to ask 3 others before we ask me a question, as I'll be working with another group. So keep to those rules. You guys do a great job in centers. I want to see a great job work done today. Finally, once our centers are completed, we're going to have an exit ticket. So you're going to grab a letter from the bin. You're going to create a word from that letter, whatever word you could think of. You're going to draw a picture that represents that word, and then you're going to give it to me on your way out the door. So I'm excited for this day, and go ahead and we're going to go center 1 here, center 2 here, 3 with me, and here we go.